So let's take a look at what we will be anticipating for the day on our Bitcoin. So if you are yet to subscribe and you have not done that yet, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting or anticipating for the day on our Bitcoin. So first thing for us, we would want to know the trend. And as you can clearly see, our trend says that we are in a downtrend move. This is very clear that Bitcoin is in a downtrend move. So we are having a series of lower low and a lower high. This is our low and here is the lower high. So markets eventually drop to form a new lower low and here is the lower high. Markets eventually drop again to form a new lower low and this is a lower high. So markets eventually drop again, formed a lower low and this is the lower high. Markets eventually drop again to form a new lower low before markets formed a lower high, and ever since then market has been rejecting multiple times from this level. So with what market has done right here, right, whereby markets came to tap it, go back, then eventually markets push and break above it, we will see this as a false breakout. So do not be deceived, do not get trapped out because markets will most likely going to drop again. So you should be looking for your sell. So once the London section opens or the New York section opens, look for your sell. Ignore the buy for now. But if there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. In order for you not to miss out on the updates, just click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.